welcome to our new space. Say hi, Komey. It is Komey and me. I haven't seen you in a while. Just kidding, I post you every single day on Instagram. Okay, I'll let you go. Hello, welcome to my new space. I just moved to downtown LA and I wanted to give you an unofficial or before or just moved in apartment tour because I have an inkling that the space is gonna change quite a bit because I have old pieces leaving, new pieces coming in. But the number one question that I have been getting from all of my friends who've been visiting is where do I put all my clothes and shoes? Because I think fashion and style is such a big part of what I do here on YouTube. People are surprised to find out that I actually don't have that much clothes and shoes. I mean, I do have a lot of clothes for the average person, but I think for like someone who works in fashion and style, I don't have that much. I don't think I've ever been the type of person to find a lot of joy in having a lot of things. I think I would rather have a curated selection of a few things that I really love than having just a multitude of a bunch of things because I'm a pretty messy person and so clutter gives me so much anxiety. I'm not a minimalist, but I have minimal lifestyle tendencies and philosophies. I think less is more, definitely. I just moved in 3 days ago, so that's why a lot of my art and everything is still not hung up. But I thought it'd be really fun to just show you guys what it looks like for now. And this would be a good way to like answer questions on where I got a few things because everything in my apartment is quite affordable. So this is the front door. And all of my boxes are, this is what's left of unpacking and moving. That needs to go in the trash and this needs to go out. But this is my coat closet and I have a lot of coats, which need to sit here. Have my shoes. I got a little mirror from IKEA. My clock is from Society 6. So this is the living area and this is probably the space that's gonna change the most. I'm selling that couch, it's from Wayfair. I get a lot of questions about this folding table. That is from YAAyyyy. The bookshelf is from YAAyyyy. The butterfly chair is also from YAAyyyy. And then the Henri Matisse painting or print, I made that myself. I bought a $30 print and then I put it in a $20 frame. It was super easy to make. It's really cheap though. Then my little concrete end table is from YAAyyyy as well. And my styling rack is from IKEA. It was like $9.99. All of the pieces that I have actually right now are super affordable and they're pretty, I would say subpar quality, but I mean, I'm 24, so like this will do. This will do, okay? I just ordered a new couch, so the couch is probably gonna go here, and then this all is gonna move either here or there, probably here because I do like how open the space is. So this is my kitchen island, and it actually moves, which I love, and there's a bunch of storage space in here. So I bought some really cheap bar stools. I bought 3 of them. So this will be my dining table. This sad little space is my communal work area. So if you watched my last apartment, this was actually my dining table. It's $39 from IKEA. It's small, it's space saving, it does the job, but I don't know if you can tell, but the legs are wobbling in, they're like caving in. So I think in the future I would love to get an official office desk, but for now this will do. And I like that, you know, there's 3 people that could sit here if they want to edit and whatnot. And this tripod lamp is $90 from Amazon, I believe. Thanks, Mom. This area is my vanity area and I hate the way it looks right now because there's so much clutter, but this is where I keep all of my makeup. And this desk is from West Elm. I think I saw Hey Claire have it and I bought the same thing. My chair is from IKEA. It's just like a Yogurtland chair because it looks like a chair that you would get at Yogurtland. Welcome to the bedroom where absolutely no magic happens. I recently just changed my duvet covers to this gray one from the white one. My bed frame is from IKEA and I like it, but I also don't like it because it has a lot of extra storage. So, that's where I keep all my pajamas and then my bottoms in the other one. That nightstand is also from YAAyyyy and it also drives me insane that the woods are different. So I really want to change my bed frame. but this will do for now. I also have another nightstand from my old place. I don't like it because the wood is also mismatching. I'm selling that, so it's almost practically brand new. I got it from Overstock. It's all mid-century modern. It's like the slate gray. I'm also selling that longboard if anyone would like to longboard. Welcome to my closet. The most probably unexciting thing about this tour. These space-saving cubes are from IKEA. Those are just like my pants and outerwear. And then I have my shirts here. So I still have quite a bit of space left. Downtown is gross, so I had to get KOMEY botitas, and I just washed them because they get gross too. This bathroom doesn't have any cabinet space, so I just had to get that little basket from IKEA, and then I got this like 3-tier little rolling cart. I think it was $40 from IKEA, and I just keep all my beauty products in there. And we have these little drawers that I keep like toilet paper and tampons and pads in. But that's my bathroom. Why isn't this coming off? And my tripod broke, so you're propped up right now on the little folding desk. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see the official apartment tour with all my furniture. Also, I have a vlog that's coming out after this video that is about me moving in and just getting settled into the space, but it's getting reviewed by a brand right now, so that will explain why it's out of chronological order, if that makes any sense. So I hope you're not confused, but hit that subscribe button if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.